this video, I'm going to quickly go over how you can withdraw money from Sweatcoin. So for this, we will need the Sweatcoin app here, as you can see, and also the Sweat Wallet app. Now, what can we do? So first, we will have to have Sweatcoin obviously set up here. So as you can see, I have currently 108 Sweatcoin. So once we have set up the Sweatcoin app, we will also need to download and set up Sweat Wallet. So Sweat Wallet basically just automatically connects with your Sweatcoin app, and then it's going to convert your Sweatcoin into crypto. So once we have the Sweatcoin app open here, we're gonna go into balance. And then you will see your Sweatcoin balance here. It's gonna say how much money you have. So once we click on it, it's going to open up the Sweat Wallet app if we have successfully set it up. Now here you can see claim Sweatcoin. So if we click on claim here, and it's going to show us this, and we can, from walking, you can see how much you have earned. Okay, so you don't actually have to claim anything. I've just gone back here and it's gonna show me this total balance, available balance. So basically it automatically converts these steps into Sweatcoin here, and I'm on the Sweat Wallet app. So here, if I click on portfolio, you can see how much money you have. So currently I have 9 cents in crypto and 0 in NFT. So if you wanna transfer over this money, you can choose any of these, cryptocurrencies. And if I, for example, want to use Sweatcoin, I'm going to click on here and I'll just click on transfer, and here I'll choose the currency that I want to transfer in. So for example, the Sweat Wallet, and we can type the username or address, and this is going to transfer over this money from Sweatcoin to that new currency. And you also have the near protocol here. So if you want to click on near protocol, again, you can convert your Sweatcoin into money here, and you can withdraw this money using your crypto wallets. You can also see we have the option for Ethereum here as well. So if you want to buy Ethereum here, then you can do that. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.